Nothing. Nothing. Oh, a little bit, but that's on the mirror. I'll live with that. Nice, we have a bathtub. Elements. Ship's toilet. Shelves. Alright. 2 mirrors. And my closets. Wow, okay, so it's 2. This one's narrower. Life jackets, hangers, robes. The bottom shelf. I brought my own robe this time. So there's 2 more sets of closet. There's 1 life jacket, hangers, beach towels. And these come down shelves. If you want shelves instead of all that hanging. Last one, dark in here, but that's where the safe is and the laundry basket. Okay, and so there's a little storage over there, and there's one on each nightstand. So that is our room, 5142.